Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuses, the relays for the air suspension, also known as the air compressor, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, where it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the air suspension, fuses, relays, the air compressor, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will, guys, demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. Both vehicles are built on the same platform, so it should work for both. Quick thing, guys, the Suburban is only different. Difference is it's a little bit longer. 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in Chevy Tahoe and Suburban. Please check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location, Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. First, open the driver door. Then on the side of your dash, guys, you have one cover. That cover needs to be pried open. Behind it, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here today we need to check 3 different fuses, relays. We'll talk about that in 2 different fuse boxes. The first one, let's zoom in, guys, so you can clearly see now things. And what we have here specifically, guys, okay, we need to check one fuse in that fuse box that's known as fuse 33, guys, and we're talking about that fuse right here. Okay, you may have this fuse right there that you will, guys, need to check. So well, 31, 32, so yeah, it will be exactly, guys, okay, that fuse right here you need to check. But check these 2 just in case, because there is very limited information exactly, but most likely, guys, okay, that will be fuse 33. Then you need to check, go to the under the hood, open the hood facing the engine. On the driver's side you have that fuse box, open that cover and you need to check, okay, you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here, and specifically here now we need to, guys, check fuse number 5. And if you come this way, okay, that's fuse number 6, that's fuse number 5 right here. Or if you go that way, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fuse number 5. And then you need to check one more, and the other one is known as 45. So 45, guys, okay, if you come now in this row, okay, right here, so that row, we're talking about that fuse right here. 45. Now relays, there is very limited information about that. Specifically, there is not a relay, but on the bottom of the engine fuse box, if you take it apart, there are a few unserviceable relays that you cannot remove and replace. They're just welded to the board, but there might be a relay there. You just need to do a little bit more digging, but most likely it could be a relay. If you have one, it will be there, guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.